Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video today on app guide, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Bandai Namco account. So if you'd previously been using Bandai Namco for a certain while but no longer want to use it and then want to close your account for permanent time, this is what you need to do. First of all, head over to your web browser and then go to bandainamcoent.com. As you go to bandainamcoent.com, make sure that you're already logged into your account, and when you're logged in, you will land on an interface that looks like this. Here, as you scroll downwards, you'll be able to see an option that says My Account. So tap on My Account. And as you tap on My Account, you'll be displayed your information relative to your account. Here on the account section, you can choose a subsection that says Your Information. Tap on Your Information, and then every single information relating to your account will be displayed to you on your screen. Scroll downwards until the end of this, where you can see an option that says Delete My Account. Tap on Delete My Account, and here it will give you certain information in regarding to the deletion of your account. So if you read through it and you confirm by this, tap on Delete My Account. As you tap on Delete My Account, it will let you know that an email has been sent to you containing a link to delete your account. So now what you have to do is you have to go and open up your email to check if you've received any sort of email from Bandai Namco in order to proceed towards your account deletion. I am now on my email, and I'll have to just check if I've received any email from Bandai Namco. So here, as you can see, Bandai Namco Entertainment has sent me a certain email. So here it tells me that if I want to remove my account, I'll have to tap on this button. So I'm just going to tap on this button, open it from a web browser, and then as I'm directed towards another tab, here it says that my account has gone deleted. So this is basically how you can delete your account on Bandai Namco. It's a very simple process, and I hope